Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unlocking the world of open source software, a realm where collaboration and innovation drive the creation of powerful tools accessible to everyone. From document editing to graphic design, these tools offer robust alternatives to well-known commercial software without the hefty price tags. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 10 open source productivity tools that can transform the way you work and create. We'll compare these tools with their established competitors, highlight their features and functionalities, and discuss how they stack up in real-world scenarios. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the exciting ways artificial intelligence is enhancing these tools, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just someone looking to boost productivity without breaking the bank, stick around. We've got some fantastic tools to share. 1. Linux versus Windows and macOS. First up, Linux. It's more than just an operating system, it's a platform for innovation. Linux offers a highly customizable and secure environment, favored by developers, IT professionals, and power users. Unlike Windows and macOS, Linux distributions, like Mint, Debian, Ubuntu, and Fedora, are open source, meaning the source code is freely available for anyone to modify and distribute. Linux stands out with its vast community support and network of distributions tailored to different needs. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or casual user. While Windows and macOS provide more standardized user experiences, Linux offers flexibility and control, allowing you to tailor your system to your exact specifications. 2. WordPress versus proprietary website builders. For web developers and bloggers, WordPress is a game changer. As an open-source content management system, WordPress powers over 40% of the web, making it a dominant force in the website creation space. With thousands of plugins and themes, WordPress offers unparalleled flexibility and customization. While website builders like Wix and Squarespace offer user-friendly drag-and-drop interfaces, WordPress provides more control and scalability. It's an ideal platform for those who want to create anything from simple blogs to complex e-commerce sites. 3. Blender versus commercial 3D software. For those in the creative industry, Blender is a must-have tool. This open-source 3D modeling software is packed with features for modeling, animation, rendering, and video editing. Blender's comprehensive toolset rivals that of expensive commercial software like Autodesk Maya and 3ds Max. 4. LibreOffice versus Microsoft Office. First up, LibreOffice. If you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office, this might be the tool for you. LibreOffice offers a suite of applications for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations, similar to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. LibreOffice's Writer, Calc, and Impress provide a user-friendly interface with extensive features. You can edit various document formats, including Microsoft Office files, making it easy to collaborate with users of different software. While LibreOffice lacks some of the advanced features of Microsoft Office, it's a strong choice for basic to intermediate needs, especially if you want to avoid subscription fees. 5. GIMP versus Adobe Photoshop. Next, we have GIMP, or New Image Manipulation Program. It's a powerful alternative to Adobe Photoshop, ideal for graphic designers and photographers. GIMP provides tools for photo retouching, image composition, and graphic design. While Photoshop has more advanced features and a steeper learning curve, GIMP's community-driven development ensures regular updates and new plugins. For casual users or those on a budget, GIMP can handle most tasks without the cost of Adobe's subscription. 6. Inkscape versus Adobe Illustrator. For vector graphics, check out Inkscape, a solid alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Inkscape offers similar functionalities like creating and editing vector images, and its interface is intuitive for both beginners and advanced users. While Illustrator has an edge with more robust features and integration with other Adobe products, Inkscape's open-source nature allows for customization and plugins that can extend its capabilities. 7. Thunderbird versus Microsoft Outlook. Email management is a crucial part of productivity. Thunderbird, developed by Mozilla, is a free, open-source alternative to Microsoft Outlook. It supports multiple email accounts, a customizable interface, and extensions to enhance functionality. Outlook has an advantage in integration with other Microsoft products, but Thunderbird's flexibility and robust feature set make it a formidable contender, especially for those who prefer open-source solutions. 8. VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a free and open-source multimedia player developed by the Video LAN project. It is known for its versatility, supporting nearly every video and audio file format without needing additional codecs. It also offers streaming capabilities, subtitle support, and various customization options. VLC is one of the most popular media players worldwide, used by millions of people due to its simplicity, reliability, and extensive feature set. 9. KeePass. KeePass is an open-source password manager that helps users store and manage their passwords securely. It encrypts passwords using strong encryption algorithms like AES and 2FISH, ensuring that your credentials are kept safe from unauthorized access. KeePass is highly regarded for its security, simplicity, and flexibility. It's particularly popular among users who prefer not to rely on cloud-based password managers due to privacy concerns. 10. Nextcloud. Nextcloud is an open-source cloud storage platform that allows users to host their own cloud services. It's designed to be a private alternative to services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, giving users control over their data. Nextcloud is increasingly popular among privacy-conscious users and organizations looking for a self-hosted cloud solution. It's widely used in educational institutions, government agencies, and enterprises. AI impact on open-source tools. Now, let's talk about the future. AI is revolutionizing software, and open-source tools are no exception. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks in WordPress, enhance image editing capabilities in Blender, and even improve system performance in Linux. Open-source communities are increasingly adopting AI technologies to create smarter, more efficient tools. This integration is likely to accelerate as AI continues to evolve, making these tools even more powerful and user-friendly. Summary, and there you have it, a glimpse into the top open-source productivity tools that can transform how you work and create. With AI's growing influence, these tools will only get better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.